Hey guys, what up? It's your boy Aaron coming with a fresh new video. In this video today, you guys, it's gonna be a different style video, but it's gonna be a special video. It's gonna be a good time, you guys. I got a care package slash box from the Madre Mama Boats. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna see what's inside, and it'll be a good time. So maybe I'll cry, maybe I'll get a new Ferrari. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this care box. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and use my roommate's pen and just nope. I'm not the best at this. This is like my first attempt at ever doing one of these, so don't judge me. But yeah. Just in case. Oh, that's not gonna work. I don't like people having that, so I understand that it didn't really virtually do much. So let's see how this is. Oh, there's tape around this. Ooh, my goodness. Trying to figure out which way this is supposed to open. I guess it's supposed to open this way. Whatever. We're gonna open this like a savage. We're gonna open this like a savage indeed. Alright, so first things first, I see we got some pictures, and these are some old ones. So we kind of go through that last, but that's pretty much it. That's all we got out of that. So we'll go ahead and throw that there. So first things first, we got some new shirts. We got a sick new shirt. And oh, you know what? I was on their website and I was gonna buy a shirt. This is the one I was gonna buy, but they were sold out. Oh my gosh, yo, that is so clutch. I'm sure they're gonna be watching, but thank you guys so much. I'll put the links to these shirts in the description below if you guys want to go like check them out or whatever. They're pretty cool. These specific shirts glow in the dark, so they're really awesome. But yeah, they're really nice. More importantly, I want to focus on the pictures. The shirts are nice and all, but for like care packages and whatnot, I really want to focus on pictures. Oh my goodness, I remember these. Holy cow. I don't even... Yeah, these are... Wow, oh my gosh. That's so sad. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just going through. These are so old. Yo, I wasn't expecting this. Mom, that's not cool. I'm gonna cry. Alright. I know the date on this is wrong, but this is so my great-grandmother, for those of you that don't know, I'll try to throw a picture or two. I'll see what I can find on the screen. I'll try and throw something on there for you guys. But my great-grandmother, she passed away. It's like literally 3 minutes before my birthday, and I think it was 2006. Yeah, she died in like December 6th, 2006, and so we went to Chicago for like her funeral, and me and the rest of the boys, which is like my brothers and my cousin, we were all in the snow. Like we made like a big snowman, and then like, and it was like we could not get it. We could not get it to like the snow to roll. Like it was not working with us. So like I ran at the pile of snow like a little fake snowman, and I like tackled it and whatnot. So yeah, it was memories for sure. I remember going in and like having to like de-thaw my hands. My hands were so cold. It was ridiculous. And so while I was in high school, I actually went home to visit after I graduated A school, and then I was heading back for C school. But I went to go to my my brother's wedding. That's what it was. And man, that's so funny. So like my dog, he was up there in age, so my mom, she had him like put down, which was, it was I don't know how to explain it, because like I didn't know. She wanted to do it without me knowing, and that way I wouldn't be affected in school. And I had this dream where and I like, I'll explain it. So I had this dream where I called her, or not, I didn't call her. In the dream, my mom passed away, so I had to take my dog to get him put down. And then it was like me and my stepdad. This is gonna be like a sad story, you guys. But me and my stepdad were like in the living room, and we're just sitting there, and it was just silence. And I just kept telling him like how much I miss my mom, and he started crying, and he's like, I know. And then I started crying, and then like I woke up, and then I texted my mom at like 5 in the morning. I was like, I love you, in which she doesn't reply all day. So I was like, all day I was like, oh my gosh. Then she finally called me that night. She's like, hey, what's up? Oh no, I never got your text message. And I'm like, Mom, what the heck? So it was, yeah, it was a bad time. But I kept asking her about my dog, and she like kept like avoiding the question. So I kind of put 2 and 2 together. But she sent me the pictures of when they came back that first night, I guess. Maybe not the first night, but when we got their little wiener dog, we got my dog that passed, and then we got my sister's dog. So this first picture. This is my sister's dog. This is Louie, right? And then this is Louie playing with my dog Hunter. So my dog is the darker one. They're like playing around and whatnot. And then I'm trying to go through these quick for the sake of this being like a long video, but they're like teething and playing. They're like the most adorable little things. And then we had like their little spot. Now my sister's dog, you can't see it, is right past this picture. We had this like little baby gate up, and my sister's dog wouldn't climb it, but our dogs would. So they would like get out. They were like little con artists. They're like, no prison can hold me. And they would get out and just like wreck the entire house and pee and crap everywhere. But yeah, it's my little boy. I'm trying to see if the camera will focus. There we go. I know they're not like the greatest pictures, but yeah, it's gonna make me sad. I miss him like a lot. So like, I don't know, don't ever just enjoy all the moments you have, because you never know like when it'll be like the last one. And I remember my grandma's dog Wiggles, he was getting up there in age too, and I like gave him a hug and a kiss one morning, and I was like, all right, I'll see you when I get back from school. And then I came back from school, gone. So it's like it sucks. But you know, it's a part of life. So I mean, it is what it is. But I'm actually glad I have these. I'll definitely look at these from time to time for sure. So thanks, Mom, and thanks for trying to make me cry. Now, really quick, there's one thing I want to say before I close out the video. This video is mainly for families. I just want y'all to understand something as simple as this. Like, just like a little letter, some pictures, whatever, especially in boot camp too, but like on deployment or just being away from home sometimes, because sometimes I do still get homesick. I don't text anybody from home. I don't call anybody from home, really. I try not to, at least. And that's just my way of just pretending that like that problem doesn't exist, so I like don't have to like deal with me being sad away from home or whatever. So like that's my personal way of dealing with it. But eventually, like, you still get those like, you know, it sucks I'm away from home kind of moments. So things like these to just have, you know, they really do make the difference. And it may seem like the smallest little thing to just send just a few pictures or whatever, maybe some, like, you bake some cookies and send them some cookies or whatever you do. It may be like the smallest little thing, but you don't even realize, like, it means like the entire world to us. You really don't realize that. So it's like, it's all we really have. So like things like these are like you can't put a price on these. They're priceless. So I appreciate it, and we all appreciate all the love and support we all get. And yeah, it just helps us get by. So we can't do it without you guys, that's for sure. But yeah, that's all I got to say. That's it for the video, you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, obviously leave a like, leave a huge like. I would greatly appreciate it. It would mean the world. Also, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. I love talking to you guys. I talk to you guys all the time. I'm constantly answering questions. It's amazing. I'm going to start doing a lot more live streams here pretty soon. So also, on a quick side note, if you guys have not already, do me a huge favor. Go add me and follow me on my social media. The links to those are in the description below. And just follow me on the little crazy, wacky adventures I go on, and I'll start posting some Q&A questionnaires and things like that so we can have some more interaction. And also, do me a favor, go check out some of the other amazing, awesome, and helpful content I put out there to help you guys out with Navy boot camp, all sorts of other stuff. And I also put out some stuff for like entertainment, so I do a variety of things. And if you haven't already, if you guys like what you see, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button. It would mean the world, and I would greatly appreciate it. You know, I do everything I do for you guys, so I love helping you guys out, you know, and I look forward to seeing you guys join the Navy family. So ain't nothing else in the world like it, that's for sure. So that's all I really got. I love y'all. Stay safe during the whole pandemic and everything else we have going on in the world, and just stay in touch, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.